swear the hype is too tall. So like September I fall down below. Now I know that the medicine be on call. Yeah, was feeling like you hot enough to melt. Yeah, can't trust no one, can't even trust yourself. Yeah, and I love you, I don't love nobody else. Yeah, tell them they can take that bullshit elsewhere. Self-care, I'm treating me right. Yeah, hell yeah, we gonna be alright. I switched the time zone, but what do I know? Spending nights, bitch, hiking, where will I go? I can fly home with my eyes closed, but it get kinda hard to see, there's no surprise though. You can find me, I ain't hiding. I don't move my feet when I be gliding. I just slide it, and then I roll out. Yeah, I be reading them signs. I been losing my mind. Yeah, get the fuck out the way. Must be this how to play. It must be nice up above the lights and look up the life that I made. Yeah, I know that feeling like it's in my family tree. Yeah, that Mercedes drove me crazy. I was speeding. Somebody save me from myself. Yeah, tell them they can take that bullshit elsewhere. Self-care, we gonna be good. Hell yeah, they letting me. I switched the time zone, but what do I know? Spending nights, bitch, hiking, where will I go? I can fly home with my eyes closed, but it get kinda hard to see, there's no surprise though. And you can find me, I ain't hiding. I don't move my feet when I be gliding. I just slide it, and then I roll out. I didn't know. Yeah. Well, didn't know what I was missing. Now I see a little different. I was taking too much, got stuck in oblivion, yeah, yeah. Oblivion, yeah, yeah. Oblivion, yeah, yeah. I got all the time in the world, so for now I'm just chillin'. Plus I know it's a beautiful feeling. In oblivion, yeah, yeah. Oblivion, yeah, yeah. Oblivion, yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay, I ride around my city when I come home. Yeah. The sun set quickly, then get up slow. Yeah. I just connect and upload. Watch it spin around. We just spin it round. Yeah. Let's go and travel through the unknown. Yeah. We play it cool, we know we fucked up. We keep on saying you in love, so tell me, are you really down? Are you really down? Yeah. Let's go back to my crib and play some 45s. It's safe in here, I know there's still a war outside. We spend our nights all liquored up on the side. Can you feel it now? Oblivion.